In this video, we'll go over 4 tips that can help you keep your skin glowing, so stay tuned and keep watching till the end. Number 1. Don't rub too hard on your skin. Exfoliating is an essential part of the skincare regime as it helps in removing the dead cells from the skin. However, make sure you are not rubbing your skin too hard while exfoliating as it can damage and irritate the layers on your skin. Be gentle on your face and use cotton to pat dry it. Exfoliate twice a week to keep your skin glowing. Number 2. Avoid oily food. When it comes to maintaining healthy skin, oily food can make or break the deal. Having oily or fried food in summers could be extremely bad for your skin as it may trigger acne breakouts that can further lead to stubborn pigmentation spots. Number 3. Avoid caffeine or sugary drinks. During summers, it is essential to keep your body hydrated. However, it is important to hydrate it with water instead of going for caffeine-based and sugary drinks as they can cause more harm than good to your body. Number 4. Avoid wearing synthetic clothes. To avoid excessive sweating, make sure that you're not wearing synthetic clothes. Instead, opt for cotton clothes as they will allow air to pass through, which will further prevent sweating, rashes, and itchiness on the skin. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing.